Assalamu alaikum. This is Ruhul Amin here today. Dear brothers and sisters, hopefully all of you are well. I am not much better, but thanks to God, Alhamdulillah. I have been suffering from depression for last 2 days, but I don't know why I am suffering depression. So I am feeling very uneasy. Depression is very common problem in our young generation. Major percent young generation suffer depression behind 3 reasons. Number one, affair, I mean girlfriend boyfriend relationship, and number two, uh, career, and the last number three, excess use of mobile phone. Actually this is my personal opinions. My opinions may not be true. I have seen some friends of my acquaintance who never go to field to play football, but they play football games on their mobile phone. So it's very dangerous for our upcoming society. But I have realized when we abide by our Islamic rules, we are not suffering any depression. We all know that Islam is the only religion of peace. Uh, so as a Muslims, we should follow all the rules of Islam, such as praying 5 times with the congregation, uh, reading the Holy Quran every day. Although I cannot follow all the rules of Islam, so everyone will pray for me so that Allah will give me guidance. Ending here today. See you in another video. Inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.